Hi, I didn't see you there. I'm just giving myself a great big hug because today we're going to talk about the cuddle hormone, oxytocin. Okay, calling it the cuddle hormone is actually slightly misleading, so today we're going to learn all of the facts and science behind this amazing hormone and molecule. But before we can do that, we need our 3D model. Wow, what a molecule! It's absolutely enormous. And it's worth pointing out that this one is not as accurate as it could be because we didn't have quite enough hydrogen. This molecule has 66 hydrogens in total, and they would be attached to all of the carbons represented in black. Oxytocin is a chemical that is made in the pituitary gland in the brain. It's involved in social interactions and physical affection, but it can also be involved in negative memories of social interactions or experiences and can make us more suspicious or reserved to people we view as outsiders, depending on the context. It's involved in the formation of social memories, whether those be from positive or negative experiences. And in one study, Dutch students who were given a nasal version of the hormone were more warm and affectionate to fictional Dutch characters and more hostile and reserved towards fictional characters with German or Arabic names. So to a degree, oxytocin might play some responsibility in the formation of in-group, out-group mentality in humans. This hormone is a peptide, meaning it's made of protein. A polypeptide would be a long string of proteins, poly meaning many and peptide meaning protein, and it is involved in labor. So it helps the uterus contract in order to push a baby out, and then also helps the uterus shrink back down to size after birth. Oxytocin is also released during breastfeeding. When the infant suckles on the nipple, oxytocin orders the body to let milk down out of the milk ducts. And this is why it's sometimes referred to as a bonding chemical, because it strengthens the relationship between a new parent and their offspring. Now, it's worth noting that we don't know the long-term side effects of giving people oxytocin because in that Dutch study I mentioned and in several others, people were only given a single dose. But Pitocin, a synthetic version of oxytocin used to induce labor, does have side effects including nausea, vomiting, and stomach pain. If there's a science topic you'd like to know more about, then comment below or reach out to us on social media. In the description of this video is some additional reading material because it's very important that you always do your own research and come to evidence-backed conclusions. If you're able to, please consider supporting us on Patreon, where you'll get to see these videos before anyone else and you'll get to see all the bloopers. Stay safe, be kind to each other, and remember, there's no room for shame when growing your brain.